1 minute.
So they have also
Yeah, hi Swapnil. I'm audible to you. Swapnil, I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine, fine. Now, you are an intraday trader or a swing trader?
Uh, Mostly I do intraday
Okay, of stocks or index?
index.
Index. Then go
Yes.
for Nifty. Nifty or Bank Nifty? You will do which one? Both.
Nifty.
Okay, then go for Nifty clearly.
Nifty.
Okay, so if you have intraday, then go for 3 minutes. Set the time frame as a 3 minutes. That is the best thing. Or you can do 1 minute also, because if you are a scalper, it is nothing but a scalping. It will be like for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so whenever there is a gives astro signal, you have to be long. Okay, from there, and whenever there
Okay.
will be a background of white comes, you have to book the profit there. That will be best in 3
Okay.
minutes. Okay, this is the best. You can see that clearly. Now at this point it has given the sell signal at 24,430. Okay,
and where to put SL, sir? Also tell us about this.
SL should be the previous high.
Is that not going to be too big?
No, you don't need to put SL. It's already whenever it will change. For example, let us show that if it is any change is there. For example, see this is the astro short signal, it has given that, right? So it was
Yeah,
24,337. Now we can calculate that from here to here. It was 100 points. Okay, you have been lost 100 points, but after that it has been profitable. You can see that how much profit it has been given from here.
yeah. Now we have got the good example.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There is no SL. Whenever there will be an automatic alert will be there, opposite alert or any white background change is there, you have to book the profits there. Okay, now
It
it's
will
clear.
automatically tell us then
Yeah,
when to
yeah,
book the loss and to book the
see
profit.
this.
We just have to follow it.
Yeah, just now entry was at 24,430, and you can see that continuation red is there. So before the trend change it gives the white background is there, so you have to book profit there. Clear? White background means
Okay.
profit booking area. Clear? In this white
Okay.
background no new trades will be available. You have to do don't have to take new trades. White background. Okay, and if you want to check previous, yeah,
Sir, also tell us, both of us, that for intraday purpose in Nifty, which time frame is most probably going to be
3 minutes is the
suitable?
best. 3 and 5,
3
you
and
can
5
check. Yeah,
only.
whenever there will be a long in 3 and 5 both time frames, it should be a guaranteed
Because,
thing.
yes, sir, because I have seen that time frame is a very crucial role
Yeah,
for every different stocks and indexes.
you can see that lots of white backgrounds are there. That means white backgrounds you don't have to take new trades. Okay, now you can see this. Let me clarify you one more thing. Yeah, here it was the buy signal. Okay, at point of 27,679. Okay, now it was you have to you can book profit the here. Okay, 10 for that is at 23,873. In this white background don't take new trades. Again if it gives the green background you can take long again. Okay, till it gives the reverse astro signal you have to be in long. Okay, clear? Now again you can see that white background is there, and 3 minutes you will get clear picture. for intraday purpose people, 3 minutes is the best. See this, it's already
So
given
I
exit.
so I think this indicator strategy is going to be most profitable in the forex and crypto market because there is not any premium decay. If
Yes, right.
Swapnil wants to know, tell him.
Yeah, that means you will do in futures or options in Nifty. Swapnil,
Yeah.
so you will do in options buying or futures you are trading in Nifty.
Uh, Generally, I'm doing option buying for intraday and
Okay,
option selling for holding purpose for two,
okay,
3 days or weekly expiry.
yeah, okay. Then better you have to do future trading or option selling only, because nowadays option buying is a very premium decay thing. You will get lost into that. Even if the target has been reached, you will be in loss because of premium decay. So better to
Okay.
trade in futures is the best thing. Okay, when compared to
Okay.
option selling also, futures is the best thing. And
Okay.
you can go for index, this is thing. And for bank nifty, let me check that. You can do
So
forex.
we can use this indicator in any instrument, right? In index or any stock.
Yeah, it will
Yeah,
works in anything in the world, even in US stocks,
Okay.
US index. See this is
yeah,
bank
but
nifty.
I think we just have to keep the right time frame for the pair.
Yeah, because
Okay.
you,
That's where
as per your positional
indicator gives.
holding, as per your risk, you have to set the time frame. According to the time frame it will works. For example, let us see, for stocks, tell me any stocks, Swapnil, so I can check that clearly.
Reliance.
Okay, so for stocks, how much time frame you will hold that? That means 1 week, 1 month, or 6 months, 1 year you will hold.
Generally, I do option selling.
Okay,
So for that, 1 week, 15 days, like that.
okay, now see this. This is the Reliance in 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the intraday. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
now it's clearly seen. For example, if you take today, see this, it has given the buy signal here, 1 13:37, and from there it goes 13:70. Previous to that, it gives the sell signal at higher of earth 13:35 and exit at 13:32. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
So if you
So
want
sorry to interrupt you.
the
Sorry
same
to
thing,
interrupt you.
yeah,
Hello.
Priyansh, tell me.
So sorry to interrupt you, but I feel like that this indicator is working perfectly well. What we have to do is to do just 1 month or 50 days of practice using this indicator and understand the structure, how it
Yes,
is
right.
playing.
Yeah,
And with one plan, this is with one plan, 1 month plan, this is not possible. We need to at least take for 4 months or yeah, bare minimum 4 months. Then we are going to make most out of it.
yeah. If you take the day time frame for the same Reliance stock, now you can see that this is the short. It has given that 14:45. Okay,
Okay.
now you can see that it was still in short time. And previous also you can check that the same thing. Or you can take 1 hour according to your holding position, because 1 hour means it will be for 10 days or 1 week. It is less than 1 week, still you are in profit. See this, even if you
Yes.
take this long position given signal here, it's a 14:20, and a short position at 13:72, that means it was 50 points is there loss. Okay, but after that 13:72, and then it has given the sell signal at 13:45. After it has given, you will get the profit huge. Loss is very small when compared to this. You can see clearly here it is. 1518 entries and exit at
Yeah, so risk to reward is very high. If we are losing less. But
losing.
when winning,
Yeah,
we are winning big,
yes, right, loss is very less
which is
because you can see
great.
clearly here it is 1390 is the entry and exit point is at this one
We are only going to get see when market in the ranging.
1390 to 1545 you have exited. Again you will enter it because white background should be the profit booking area, no trade zone. That was okay. You have to book profit whatever the position you have, that you have to book profit there. That's called
Okay.
indicator indicates, and you can use according to your holding time frame. That means you have to hold, you want to hold for long term, take the day time frame. Okay, and you can check any other stock. Tell me, I can show that because Reliance is a volatile stock. Tell me the simple, for example let's
Mm.
check the Titan.
SRF.
Just
Yeah. Right.
Okay, go for that, no issue, any stock.
to show the Tanla, which have given
Yeah,
13% return recently.
yes, right.
That was great. In just 90 days, they have given too much return.
Now see this, this is the short position it has given 2750. So you have to buy at the entry signal 50% and high of that cross, whenever it cross the high of that, take 25%, remaining 25% will be next high. Okay, so
Okay.
when you make an average it will be 28. Okay, 2800. Now it was at 25.
Okay.
The loss is very less. Okay, let me show the Tanla. Now see
So
this,
in 1 hour time frame.
1 hour. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, now you can see that exactly it will filtered complete manipulation traps, everything will be filtered out. So whenever there will be a move will starts, it gives that only you will enter.
So can you show with the scale how
Yeah, okay,
much and how many days it have
yeah, okay,
taken? It's going to go more up as Astro is
yeah,
showing.
definitely.
Book
it's
profit area has not come yet.
it's 28.87% in 19 days.
Yes. So recent as well. The sell Rev Astro.
Okay,
Oh, wonderful fall, sir. Wonderful.
yeah, this one, right.
How much return this is?
14% return.
In just almost less than 2 months.
Yeah,
Wow.
and if you want to take the whenever the previous lows cross, you can take the profits and trial it. You have to trial according to that, or you can simply follow the indicator also, it will also gives the profit to you. See this, it was given 68 points. Even if you follow the exact indicator points, okay, 68 points is their profit, and
Yeah, sir.
the loss is you can take that if it is a loss. That for example let's say this one,
Yeah, sir. But people have already their
16
own
points
system. They
loss
can
only.
combine
Yeah,
and make big returns.
yes, right, you can see that
They have
the loss is
experience.
only 16 points, the profit is 68 points. The loss is minor in this indicator. That's what I want use
Sir,
this.
in phase of consolidation and ranging market, no indicator is going to go give return.
Yeah,
Any strategy not
yes,
going
right,
to.
that means it will filtered out the manipulations areas, consolidation areas,
Yeah.
it will filtered out. That's why it's given no trade zones. Now see this,
This indicator is perfect.
now see this,
Working
before this
wonderful.
it was loss, you can find calculate that the entry is here, the exit is just 7 points loss or 1 point loss, exactly 1 point loss. 7 point. Okay, now you can take the entry here.
So I would like to take 1 year plan.
Okay, okay, okay,
Suggest.
go for that, no issue. Now, yeah, now see this 201 points profit, 7 points loss. Now you can compare the risk reward ratio.
Okay. It works well.
It's not clear, your voice is not clear.
It works fantastic here.
Yes sir, yeah, that's why I have designed this. Loss will be very minor, and it will be filtered, the manipulations, traps, everything will be filtered out.
Yeah. So we just need to practice for 1 month or 20
Yeah,
days to understand it properly.
and you
And
can see
whenever
that
market in the ranging, we have to avoid any trades.
even if it is
In
a range
trendy
market,
market,
you can check that even if it is a range, this is completely range market, right? I
yeah,
will
we
show
can
that.
do scale,
Yeah, no, no, no.
the tight SL.
This is completely range market. So in this range market
Yeah.
also, it gives, it doesn't give huge loss. Now this is the long signal, it has given that. Now see that
Yes.
the exit at 33 points loss. Clear? Now go
Perfect, sir.
again.
Perfect.
You can check that short 24 points loss. Okay, and then check
So even a professional trader cannot going to trade like this
20 points loss. Okay,
perfectly
now
with some little bit
now
loss.
after that it was 27 points loss. So roughly you can take completely 60 to 70 points loss. Okay, clear? Now what is the profit after that? You can calculate from here. See this 70 points loss, 145 points profit. Clear?
Yes.
Even we neglect this high also. Just we have follow the indicator. That's all. Even the consolidation also, if you take the trades, it the loss is minor. That's what it indicates.
And if we avoid, yeah, if we are smart enough to avoid the
Yeah.
ranging market, then we can achieve 80 to 90% equity rate, sir, with
Yes,
this
right. Yeah.
strategy.
Yeah. Yes, right.
And big RR trades like
Yes.
1 is to 4, 8.
Mainly, I have designed for this to minute the loss. So whenever the loss is minor, the remaining thing will be the profit, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I have
absolutely.
designed. Tell me any one more thing. Uh, Priyansh, can you tell me one more thing so I can show that you?
We can use SPI in
Okay. Yeah.
have given great fall. Let's see this indicator have touched us or
Yeah.
not. Yeah, it does.
It's lots, very lot, big profits. Loss is
Yeah,
very
sir.
minor.
Wonderful, wonderful.
See this?
We have taken Astro, we have rided the whole trend
Yes,
to
right.
the upside.
And the short also, it has given the perfect time.
Yeah, perfect, sir. After that, the big crash have started.
Yeah. And if you take the daily time frame, it has given here, it is
On the daily time
792.
frame, no one can beat this indicator. I have seen this. On
Yes,
the
right.
daily time frame, no one can beat because
Because
in the daily time we just have to follow the trend.
yeah,
Don't
y-
need to go against the trend, and then the return is going to be mind-boggling.
you can use any time frame. If you increasing the time frame, the holding period will be increased.
Also in the gold, it have given almost somewhere around
Yeah.
180% return in 2 year.
Yes, right. Let us go for gold in daily time frame.
If we follow the trend, we are going to win
See
every
this.
time.
This is the goal. You can check.
Perfect signal, exactly from the bottom.
Yeah,
Use a scale, please, sir.
yeah.
So we
One
can
minute.
see.
Yeah, this one. To exit position is this 2769 points in the span of 884 days.
Yeah. And
884 nothing but it's approximately 2 years,
yeah.
2 or 2.25 years. And you have seen the percentage will be 140%. Okay, it's
If
very
we go
clear.
for high, then
If you go for high, it will be, if you use your technicals and resistance levels, you can go for,
yeah, yeah. That's
it will
why I'm
be,
saying,
yeah, it's 184.185%.
yeah, if we combine with our own system skill,
Yeah,
it's going to do wonder,
yes,
like
right.
magic.
Yeah, and if you check for monthly or weekly, gold has given this buy signal and 2003 onwards.
So then let's close the deals. If
Yeah,
Swapnil is okay, confirm. If we have any doubt,
Now,
I'm
yeah.
okay.
what's the pricing?
Price, okay. Now see this, it's a 1600% profit
Oh my
in
God.
20 years.
On the
1600.
bigger time frame, it is not creating any noise. It is only giving the clear.
Yes, sir. When you
Like
go the
take
bigger,
this,
big
you
time
get this.
frames, it was very clear picture to you. You can go for
Yeah.
anything, like you can go for silver also.
Like investor don't need to do anything. Just buy Astro and
Yeah,
sit.
just see this, and this is the high, that is 430% in 185 18 858 days. In 2 years it was 500%, nearly 450%.
Sir, in this bull run, this coming bull run, so many stocks are going to give return like this.
Yes, right, yeah.
Yeah, in
Because
coming months.
yeah, maybe all time high will cross that file.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready,
Sure,
stocks
sure,
are
for
ready for
sure.
that.
Yeah. So many stocks are preparing, have hit the bottom and started the move to the upside. Like
Okay,
Tanla recently have given return
yeah.
almost around 30 to
And
40%
you
in just
can go
20 days.
for example, I have one more thing just shared in the group.
Sir, I want at least 40 to 50% discount for 1 year plan.
Yeah, we can go and check that. I will message you.
Oops.
Yeah, let's check Siemens.
And whatever the price, I am okay.
Now see,
I will ready to pay.
it's already given that. See this, from the initial stage. If you go for monthly, the Siemens, you will clearly, if you are an investor, see this, it's given the price at 100 level, 107 exact price. And you can see the same touch level has been touched here, and now it was at, it's completely going upside.
But it have touched, but it didn't tell to book the profit. That's the precision, sir.
Yeah,
That's the great thing. Even if it has said to hold, because this indicator no, this is going to go up in the long term. In the dip, it didn't told to book profit. That's the wonderful thing, sir, about
and
this
if
indicator.
you want to go for Hindalco, Now see, it was given at this thing 152 point. Okay, from there still it was rising 10 times in 2027. In less than 10 years, it 10 times it has given that. Okay, go for any private companies so that it will give the huge returns. When NTPC I have given, whenever it has been given the signal, I have shared the NTPC in that, right?
Sir, use Bharat Electronics.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Oh, skyrocket. Has given the perfectly signal
Yes, right.
for this whole.
7 rupees only. 2005.
So seven, forget about the seven one.
Yeah.
Look at the latest one.
Yes, right. That means the entry point at 7.
Yeah, it's rocket on the latest signal.
Yeah. Tell me any new
There is no.
IPOs so that we can check that very clearly, right? IPOs recently started in 6 months, last 6 months, or one year.
I don't have any idea about IPO. Maybe Swapnil have. Ask for me.
Lakshmi Organics,
Yeah,
I
okay.
think it's
Go, oh,
last year
go for
listing.
that. No issue at all. Oh, 1 minute.
Okay.
So go for daily. Very clear. Or
My
weekly,
God.
you can go for that. See this exactly 367. It gives the signal of short. Lakshmi Organics.
For sir, long-term investing, we can trust this indicator blindly.
Yes, right.
Yeah, we just need to be little bit careful if we are trading with this indicator. Even we are trading on the lower, very on the lower time frame, then we need to worry. There is no worries. It's giving a small loss and big profit. At the end of the month or week, we are going to be in profit.
Yeah. Any doubts, Swapnil? If you want to check anything, one more stock, anything?
No, sir, just check for crude oil. One.
Okay. Crude oil of US or Indian MCX?
MCX, Indian MCX.
Because MCX will not work perfectly.
Okay, no, no problem. Check for US one.
Yeah.
Sir, it's going to work in sport.
Which one?
Yeah, this one is sport,
Okay, yeah, okay.
sport.
So WTI
Like,
spot will be work fine.
yes, every indicator works.
Yes, right. This is what spot. So go for monthly. No, it doesn't have that.
It's more volatile, most
Yes, right.
volatile pair of all.
Now you can see that the short has been given at $71, and you can check the exit point at 60. It was in profit also still. Okay. After that, it has given $10 profit or $11 profit is there. Okay, and then 63 is the entry. Okay, now it was running at 95. That was 50%, more than 50%, right?
Yeah.
Still we are running at more than 50% profit, and previous also it was given $10 profit. Okay, and you can see clearly previous also it was in profit. That was entry is here 78, exit at point at 72, still profit. Okay, and if you want to check the same thing in MCX, Let's check. We doesn't find that. Let's go for monthly. You will get a clear picture. Weekly. Still we have a profit. MCX is not available. Maybe I doesn't set the country.
Now we can check with the original
Sir,
spot
if
price.
sir
Yeah.
crude oil M6 maybe there. So
Which one?
crude oil M6
Okay.
maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is showing
Yes.
crude oil features.
See this. Okay. In MCX, this is the thing.
Yes,
Still
given
we
a
are in
small
60%
loss,
profit.
big profit.
Even if you take the high, it was 87%, but still running at 56% to 58% profit. If you go for previous thing, now this the thing is here. 153 points loss or 2% loss. You can take it as a percentage 2%, but the profit is 60%. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go for previous. This is the same level or 2% to 3% loss. Go for previous. That is 0.7% loss. You see that all the losses will be covered in a single profit. Losses were minor.
Mhm.
So whenever the
Yeah,
profit will
absolutely. So.
comes, that all the losses will completely covered in a single profit and should be in profit also. You will be.
Yes,
That's why
that
what
is
I am saying, we can trust
Yeah.
blindly.
In stocks, it was works very wonderful when compared with the futures. But in forex also, it's working wonderful. Tell me any one other
Yeah.
stock, Swapnil.
uh, Titan,
Okay.
Titan or ABB is also one more.
Okay, let's go one by one. Now you can see that Titan. This is daily time frame, and if you want monthly, see this. If you are a long-term investor can go blindly as Priya shared. See this. This is the starting point. It was at 20 rupees on 2005. Okay, so it was 20 years completed. In 20 years, how much return was given? Let's check from here. Wow, 1,44,460% in 20 years. Even HM Motors
Sir,
also doesn't given that.
I am going to be next generation millionaire.
Yeah, it's a
Just
wonderful
need
thing.
the holding power. Just need the holding power. And indicator is showing all, telling all when to exit, when to hold. Just need to hold.
We need perfect entry, perfect exit, right? To get the profit in stock
Yeah,
market. So that
this is
was the
the thing.
main first thing, right? It is filtered, manipulation, traps, everything. You have it makes you entry at right point. It makes you exit at right point. That was not available by the outside people, right? And the planets says these things. Okay, it's a wonderful 1,45,000% profit is not a normal thing in 20 years. Oh, it's just 1 rupee at that time, 1 or 20 rupees, whatever it may be, but the profit is very very higher. And we can check ABFRL because it was a recently
No, no,
opened,
it's
right?
ABB.
ABB.
ABV. ABB.
Okay, go for that.
Yeah.
ABB is not available. It's a Indian stock.
No, no, no. ABB. A
ABB.
for
Okay,
Apple,
got
B.
it. Got it. It's also doing wonderful. Now you can check the percentage. 3686% in 20 years.
Yes, it is still in green zone. So
Yeah.
there are more chance to go up.
Yes, right. Any stock, that what I am asking your choice. I doesn't show as my choice, right? I am asking
Yeah.
you to show which stock. That's what, because I have a confidence, because everything is working under any planet. There should be a ruler, right? So that's what
Yes.
everything is and defined in that. That's why I have a confidence to show, to asking you, tell me which stock to show you. So this percentage returns is not a fake, right? It's already
Yes.
green.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And right now, in this is the initial thing facing, I'm starting this providing this service, so that's why I'm providing very less amount. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute.